This Sculpey tip of the month comes from our Design Squad member, Anka, who makes these really cool multicolored molded pieces in a really unique way. So what she does is she bakes the mold filled with liquid Sculpey. Once it comes out of the oven and is cool, she takes out the piece she wants to use. She slices it in as many different slices as you want, or as many different ways, and then she puts the baked pieces back in the mold, and then she takes another color and fills up that empty spot. She fills it to the top. You do the tap method, see if any air bubbles come up. Nope, that looks good. Puts it back in the oven for 30 minutes, and then, magic of television, you take them out, and they look really cool, and they've got really clean lines. And you could do it with clear, with the metallics, any color you want. And it's pretty amazing. And this is your Sculpey tip of the month.